Hello, welcome to the channel. Hope you're doing well. If you have been thinking of supplementing your income to help prevent living hand to mouth or living paycheck to paycheck, the best thing to do is starting a side hustle. In today's video, I want to share 8 side hustle ideas you can start. One on the list is tutoring children, helping them with their homework and activities. This is a good way of earning extra income through helping with tutoring children and helping them with their school activities. One way of earning an extra income is through being a makeup artist. If you have great skills at makeup, you can offer this service to people by applying their makeup. For example, during the events or during photo shoots. Also, you can do it as a freelancer, or you can be stationed at a salon. You can be stationed at a beauty parlor, or you can collaborate with a photo studio where you do makeup for their clients during their photo shoot. The third one is event planning. So if you are good at event planning, you can offer this as a service to earn an extra income. So this can start from small events to bigger ones. The fourth one is personal chef services. So in this kind of service, you don't have to be a professional chef. So if you know how to cook delicious meals, you can offer this to cook at someone's house or during an event like birthdays or any other kind of event. Once people get to know that you can cook great food, they will always call you to be their personal chef. The fifth one is being a personal stylist. So if you are good at putting together outfits, this is the kind of work you would consider. So like choosing outfits for celebrities, this is done by a personal stylist. So you can do this at a fee, and that would be your extra income. You can give people advice on how to put together an outfit. This is a way of earning an extra income. You can offer this to celebrities, public figures, or you can choose to do this as a service where you advise people on how to put together an outfit, or anyone who would like to be given advice on how to choose their outfits or choose for them their outfits. The sixth idea on my list is photography or videography. It's either maybe you are doing photography or you are more focused on videography. Photography or videography you can comfortably do during the weekend, where you plan ahead with a client. The second last point on my list is making a product, for example, cleaning product. So you have to know how to make that product, and then you can make that product, package it in a nice way, and then you can sell. Last one is baking. So if you have great baking skills, this is an opportunity to start a side hustle. Cakes are used in many events for celebrations. If you have the skill of baking, you can make different kinds of cakes, sell them, and be able to get extra income. Would like to mention that most business you see today started small. Side hustle could be the way leading to building a business that can sustain you later or can give birth to a better idea. We've come to the end of today's video. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more videos. Please subscribe to this channel, like this video. I will see you in the next one.